here's a question whether or not we can factor this out, x squared plus 4, right? Let's do rectangle method. And then when we did this, then we're going to do this one, x squared minus 4. There's a big difference between these two expression. So this one, what to, first of all, that's x squared, right? Means x times x squared, and this is 4, right? And what two numbers we multiply, you get 4, 2 and 2, and then we're going to try 1 and 4, right? So now if that's 2 means this is 2, and that's 2, this is 2. If this is x, that's x. If that's, so if it's confusing you, don't do this part, but it's simple now. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times x, 2x. And then with the diamond method, we want to check and see if this is right. So diagonals here. So it's going to be 4x squared. And then these two here, just 2x and 2x. If we add these, we should get the middle term. What is the middle term here? This in standard form is like that, ax squared plus bx plus c, right? So that's 1x squared, we have that, it's 1x squared. Bx, we don't have this, plus c, which is 4. So we don't have, it means b is 0. 0 times x is 0, so it's gone. This part is missing, right? Bx, we don't have it. So basically it's 0, 0x, which is gone, so that's plus. Now see here, when we add these two, we should get what? We should get 4x, right? But we don't get 4x, it's 0x. So that's why it's not factorable. Now, we should try it with 2 and 2. How about if we try 1 and 4? Because it could be 1 and 4, right? We need to try all possibilities. That's why now I'm going to try with 1 and 4. I'm sure, I know this is not factorable. I just want to show you that the differences. So that's gone. This is gone. This is gone. This is gone, right? So we did this part. This is clear. X times x squared. That's, so this is x. This is x. This is x. This is x. Cool. Now, this one was 4. Now, we said 1 times 4 is 4. Doesn't matter which one. This 4 or that one. So if that's 4, this is 4. If that's 1, this is 1. Now, if you multiply 1 times x here, you get 1x. And 4 times x, 4x. So over here, I'm going to have 1x and 4x. So here, I'm going to have these two, right? From previous work, I've done that. 4x is here, so we don't care about that part. But these two, 4x and 1x, we need to write them here. So one of them is 4x, the other is 1x. If you add them, we get 5x, right? But we don't have 5x here. Again, it's 0x. Got it? So that's why this is not factorable. We tried both possibilities of 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. Now, so this it get confusing for some students with this one. They get confused with that one. So let's try that one. This is called difference of squares. And when you have difference of squares, we used to teach students to memorize that without doing rectangle method or diamond method. This is common core connections and stuff that recently came. Difference of squares. Why we call difference of squares? Because it's like that, x squared minus 2 squared. It's difference of these squares, x squared and 2 squared. And when we have difference of squares, is the formula. As soon as you see that, the formula is x minus 2 times x plus 2. If you FOIL this, you're going to get x squared minus 2 squared. So let's FOIL it. That's x squared. This time this plus 2x. This time this negative 2x. This time this negative 4. You see these two cancel, become 0. That's why bx was 0. But actually in this case px is equal to 0. So because also x squared plus ax squared plus bx plus c. See, bx is gone. It's 0. So you get x squared minus 4. Now I'm going to use rectangle, aerial method, and diamond method to that. So it is, so let me write this here, x squared minus 4, right? So this x squared, oops, So this is x squared, and this is negative 4. And so this means this is x, that's x. So opposite sides is also x and x, right? And then that's negative 4. It could be negative 2 times 2, or it could be negative 1 times 4. Or, yeah, or negative 4 times 1. So negative 2 times 2. I'm going to try negative 2 times 2. It didn't work, then I'm going to try the other one. So negative 2 times 2. If that's negative 2, this is negative 2. If that's 2, that's 2. Now if you multiply these two, it's going to be 2x, write it here. Multiply these two, you get negative 2x, write it here. So let's do diamond method to verify, see if we get the bx middle term. Again, these two, oops, and you want to do that. I'm going to use this. So that's going to go there, which is negative 4x squared. And then these two are going to come here, which is, one of them is 2x, the other is negative 2x. Now if you add those two, it's going to be 0. That's what we had for bx is equal to 0. See, it's gone. It's gone, it's 0, right? Because x squared plus bx plus c, bx is gone. You only have x squared and c here. That's 0. So that verifies it.